hope my plants and I will live happily ever after.
Action!
I don't have so many plants, but my few plants are all begging for help. So over a course of 4 weekends, I have been tending to them. I am not a plantita or what they call a plant mama, but I know I need to save my plants. Trim wilted leaves. So many wilted and yellow leaves. It's like decluttering them. Actually, cutting them out. Letting them go to make the ones left all good, all green, and make them healthier. Well, that's the intention. I plead guilty. Look at how this poor plant tried to lengthen its torso. It is trying to reach for sunlight. I just put them here without enough care. I didn't have enough soil then. Not enough soil, not enough nutrients, can't hold enough water, can't grow its roots. On first weekend, I just did some first aid. Later, I will put all these same succulents together in 1 or 2 pots. I have a big dream for this plant, to grow this to be the biggest plant in my house. But right now, it is thin, a bit lonely, not enough nutrients, and I realized not enough room for root growth. So I got a big pot from my sister's backyard. I need to use a pot with wider mouth to give room for root growth. Here I am topping the pot to loosen the soil. Now it's easier to lift the plant up. Give it a little shake. I'm sure these roots will be a lot happier to reside in their new, bigger home. After centering the trunk, putting enough soil, here I am testing if the trunk is already upright and stable. Finish it up and flatten the soil.
Mabuhay ka!
Cheer for your plants. I am happy when my new repotted plant is happy. Allow all sprouts to get enough sunlight. Get appropriate pot size and shape. I got this from Lazada at 125 pesos for 2 planters. Porous paper will prevent soil drain out. Check old soil. Reuse if still good. Here I'm mixing the old with new soil I got from a garden supply shop in Laguna. This dark brown pot is actually plastic, but it looks like wood. I got it from Home Depot. I have 2 dark brown and 2 light brown. This colorful trowel I got from Daiso years ago when I wasn't even starting to plant. It's time to repot and put together all my similar succulents. After a few squeezing, it is so easy to lift the whole bunch of sprouts. Can you imagine all these leaves started from a small single bud-like leaf which my friend gave me? Here I am carefully breaking the roots to save the small sprouts. Check the main plant's root growth to keep everything intact. I will gather these small sprouts and put them together in another pot. Compose the pot setup. Repot overgrowns. This is the 4th weekend that I'm working on my plants. So the final plant plan is that this one I will put here. This one, because this is already too big for the small pot, I will transfer here. I bought this succulent from Quezon City Circle. My plants look like crowns. My sister and I got this cup and saucer planter from Landmark. I hope my plants and I will live happily ever after.